centro. Alright, we're headed our way to La Candelaria. I had a little issue with some dude on a Transmilenio, some old guy. Appreciated his poetry, but he disrespected us, man. So, dude, you know, on the Transmilenio, you get people that are like expressing their poetry or telling their life story or asking for some cash or something like that. No big deal. It's all good. But when you come up and you like demanding money, start cursing us out because we didn't give you no change or anything, that is something else. Yeah. You got that right. Alright, so now we're in the area called Chorro de Quevedo. I guess now we got a photo shoot going on over there. This is one of those famous streets with all the graffitis down it. This is it. The city reminds me of New York, Delhi and all. Ended up at the Gold Museum. I'm in the second story of the Museo del Oro, or the Gold Museum. You see all the vendors in the plaza. I'm doing the museum bits with the Panasonic Lumix LX3. I also have the X Pro One with me. So we're like in the 3rd level, and it's a vault. So it seems like this is like the most expensive, I guess, artifacts that they have. This reminds me of Galileo, Galileo, Magnifico. This reminds me of Queen. I am Iron Man. So they have a gift shop, a cafe, a restaurant, all in this little section over here. I think that's pretty rad. That wraps up in Museo del Oro. So we're about to go up Monserrate right now. Alright, we're going up. Top. Impressive views out here. I guess I picked a day that most of the things were closed, like the restaurants and things like that. Important stuff. So most of the things are closed today. Okay, all the way at the very top, after the church, in the back of the church, all the way at the very top, you'll see this market back here. You have many things. Alright, so food. Alright, found the food. I think I'm gonna get some Ajiaco. This is Ajiaco. All right, so from the top of Monserrate, I say peace out.